In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable or disable the apps drawer or the apps screen on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. So first begin by opening the Settings app, and in Settings, scroll and select Home Screen. From here, tap on Home Screen Layout, and you have two options, Home and App Screen and Home Screen Only. As you can see, mine is currently set to Home and App Screen, which means that I've enabled the apps drawer. If, however, you wish to disable it, then select Home Screen Only and tap on Apply. So now you'll notice that you can no longer access the apps drawer, no matter how many times you swipe up. To access your apps, just swipe through the home screens and you should see them listed there. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.